Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching my video for the first time, hi, hello, my name is Nosra. I went for this Halo Smoky Eye today. If you want to know how I got this look, please keep on watching. So I have completed my base and one eye. Let's jump into the other eye. The most important part of your eye makeup is the base. I have used my concealer and set with a powder. Today I'm gonna use this Juvias Place palette, eyeshadow palette, and I will take this brown shade to create a transition color. So next I will take this black eyeshadow color from the same palette with a shader brush. Next I'm gonna take a clean blending brush to blend it and leave no harsh lines. So taking this angular brush and my concealer, I will cut my crease so that I create a halo look. Now I'm gonna take a shader brush and use this silver eyeshadow color. This color, and I will take this brush. I will use this same brush that I've used for my black color eyeshadow. Here, Stila glitter. Apply it on my lid. Okay, so now I'm gonna use this Morphe palette and take this shade to highlight my brow bone. Now it's time for the lower lash line. I will use this Maybelline eyeliner for my waterline. And we'll take this pointed shader brush. We'll use the same black shadow and apply it in my lower lash line. Now I will use this dark brown shade. Actually, I will use this both and apply in my lower lash line. Next, I will take this to my inner corner and I will use that same color that I've used to highlight my brow bone. So time for lashes. I will take this brush and three steps to sculpt NYX palette using this brown shade, making this weird face. I will use this Rimmel bronzer, and using this brush, I will bronze my face. And my chin. Next, I will use that same bronze color, and using this light blending brush, I will contour my nose. Using this angular brush, I will apply my blush, and today I'm gonna use this Ulta Blush Contour Radiant Palette. And today I will use this Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighting palette. It's a kabuki brush. I'm gonna highlight using this shade. Highlight my nose. Next, I will use this Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick. Set my makeup using this facial spray Mario Badescu. Okay, so this is my finished look. If you enjoyed my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I also run Instagram page Makeup by Nusrat. Please follow me on Instagram, and till next video, bye.